So over here, you can see that I am in the home page of Jotform. So I'm already signed in, and this is what you have. Over here on the top, you got the search option to search for different boards that you may have created. Here, you have an option to filter out the boards that you have created. But in our case, we haven't actually created any board. So let me just go ahead and click on new board right here, just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, a new board is created over here. So over here in the board, you will be able to see that I got many different options. Like I got pen tool, which allows me to draw. I got the eraser tool right here. I got the select tool, the notes tool. I got the sticky notes right here, and other things like I can insert images, shapes right here. As you can see, I got the text tool, and I even have the pointer tool right here. Over here on the top, you have an option to navigate between different boards right here. And over here on the top, you got the board name. You can even go ahead and set out the background and so forth right here. And you even have the editor and viewer mode, present mode, share, as you can see on the top right hand side, and different download options right here. As we move along through this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and explore all of these. And this is how we're going to work around with the interface. And this is basically the interface that you can work with to go ahead and mind map your ideas as they come to you and collaborate with in a team as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.